I'll get you back for this. Why, you little brat! Get back here! Darn it!
Ha-ha! Too slow!
Grr, I'll get you!
What? Yes, yes! Hey! Leave our apples alone!
They're mine now! You'll never catch me!
Yo, not the bees! This way, quick!
Ow! They're yanking!
Get away, you pests! I'll get them with my net! This is entertaining.
Hee-ho! Keep it rolling!
Almost there! Whee! This is fun! Yeah! Go faster! Hey! Wait for me! That pumpkin is mine!
Hey, get away! Whoa, it's slipping! Give it here! No way! Let's get digging!
I'm on it!
I'll add the seeds. I'll help cover them up.
La, let's sing a song!
La la la, sing along.
Tweet, tweet, happy friends!
Yay,
La, la, let's sing a song!
La la la, sing along.
Tweet, tweet, happy friends!
Yay,
There you go, little pumpkins.
They look thirsty.
Almost done here.
Can I help next time?
You bet.
This pumpkin is mine! No, it's mine! You'll have to catch me! I will!
You stole my pumpkin! No, I didn't!
Squawk trouble!
Liar, it's right there! Finders keeper!
Come on, trust me on this one. Why should I? Your ideas always backfire. Nonsense, this one's
Okay,
foolproof.
team, let's make a spooky jack-o'-lantern.
I'll scoop the insides. This is going to be the best one. It's looking great.
Whoa, it's coming alive! Rawr, I'm the king of Halloween!
Hee, I'm a happy pup!
Look at my pumpkin.
Wow, it looks great!
It's really spooky!
Happy Halloween!
What a party! Yeah, best one ever!
And we won a prize.
It's spooky good!
Let's dance!
All right.